It says find the area of the shaded region if the diameter of the circle is 12. So what we're going to end up doing for this problem is the area of the shaded region is going to be the area of the pentagon minus the area of the circle. Now, the good thing is the area of the circle is going to be easy to calculate because we know the diameter is 12. So that means the radius is 6. And so that means this is just going to be 36 pi. And so now we have to remember, how do we calculate the area of a pentagon? And the way we did that is, and this is a regular pentagon, we used the formula, which was area equals 1/2 the apothem times the perimeter of the parallelogram. Well, we don't know what the perimeter is, but we actually know what the apothem is. And that is, as I draw this in, you can see that the apothem goes from the center of the pentagon to the midpoint of one of the sides, which is going to be where it's tangent, that circle's tangent, and so our apothem is 6. So all we need to calculate here is what is the perimeter. And we find the perimeter by drawing in one of these right triangles, and then realizing that in a regular pentagon, one of the angles is 108 degrees. Remember, 180 minus 360 over n. And so that means this angle right here is 54 degrees. And so if I let half the side length be x, I can say tangent. I chose tangent because the apothem is opposite. The side length we're missing is the adjacent. The radius of the pentagon is the hypotenuse, so I don't need sine or cosine, just tangent, equals 6 over x. And so x just turns out to be 6 over tangent of 54. And then there are going to be 10 of those x's because when you it's the x was half a side length and there are 5 side lengths, so that means there's going to be 10, and so our perimeter is just going to be this times 10, and so you could write it as 60 over tan 54. And so in your calculator you're just going to multiply all this out, and so you're going to get I'm going to do 1/2 times 6, and so it's going to give me 3. So 180, 3 times 60, divided by tan 54 minus 36 pi. And that gives us 17.68 is the rounded answer to this problem.